Hi guys, this is Greta and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do another makeup session. So if you like this look, then stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. So this time guys, we will be using a primer. So from my last video, from the quick makeup one, I don't usually use the primer when I'm doing it quickly, but if I'm doing the longer version of my makeup, then I use a primer. So most of you might already know what a primer is, but for those who don't know yet, a primer is something that you apply on your face before applying your makeup. So it's like a base. So it's like when you are painting the wall, you have to apply a primer first before you apply the proper paint or a paint on top of it. So it's basically the same purpose as this. So the purpose is it makes the application of the makeup quicker or smoother, because it will make the skin smooth and it's easier to apply makeup because it will glide easily. And then at the same time, it also makes the makeup last longer. So I'm using this Benefit primer. From the other primers that I have tried, this is so far the best one. So this is oil-free again. So this is oil-free, it's lightweight, it's translucent, and it's silky. Yes, so important thing for those again who are prone to breakout, so you can try this one. It's oil-free and you can do more research about it on the internet. Yes, so I'll be applying that one. So I'll just apply a bit, and then next our foundation. Okay, that's almost finished. I really need to buy a new one. And then we'll apply. And then next our concealer. So the same one, from Estee Lauder. So just apply under the eyes, a bit on the forehead, bit on our nose. And then just dab. Next guys is the contouring part. Okay, so what is contour? What is contouring? So for those of you who don't know, so contouring is something that you do to make your face look slimmer. So you apply something so that it will create the illusion that your face is slimmer or smaller. So we have a round face, so we will try to make it look like a V shape or like slimmer. Okay, so it's a personal preference, you know. Some of you might like to do it, some of you might not want, so you can have a go and then see if it's something that you would want to do. So I personally use this is from Tarte. So this is actually a concealer. So from makeup artist advice, so they say if you are using like, you know, a contour product, then you should use something that is 2 shades darker than your foundation shade. So yes, so this is 2 tones darker than my foundation shade. So you can use different products. So they have different products in the market used for contouring. So you can use a concealer or you can use the powder one. So if you like, they have this from L'Oreal. So they have like 2-in-1. So they have, I'll just show you. So they have the contour one and the highlighter. So that's from L'Oreal. You can try that one. And then also they also have it in stick. So this is from Maybelline. So it's almost finished. This was the one that I was usually using before I used the Tarte. So they have also 2-in-1. So contour and the highlighter. There. So you can try those ones, whichever works for you. It's like trial and error. So you try it and then you can decide which works for you best. So for me, this is what I light because it lasts longer, and then I don't have to retouch. Like at the end of the day, it's still intact. Yes, so we will do that one. And then at the jawline. I don't know if you can see, guys, the color. It's a bit like it's darker, but yeah. Next is our blush on. So when applying the blush on, guys, so some makeup gurus advises that when you apply your blush on, you should apply it like that one. So this helps lift the cheeks up, and it prevents the face from looking saggy. Okay, so upward motion. They say like if you apply even like foundations or anything on your face, apply it upwards, you know. So it will also help prevent wrinkles. So yeah, you can try that. Like that. Next, guys, is our eyeliner. Okay, so from the last time we used the pen one, this time we'll be using the liquid one. So the liquid one is a bit more difficult to apply. It's just because it can easily smudge. So if you're not like you know, if you're still practicing on how to apply the eyeliner, then you can use the pen. It's easier. Even me, like, you know, I'm not an expert. Sometimes I still smudge it. Okay, so we'll apply it. Guys, I just want to show you the effect of using an eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see the difference. So eyeliner makes the eyes look bigger. So this one looks smaller and this one looks bigger. That's the power of using an eyeliner. Next is our eyebrows. So I use this one to create the pattern. So what I do is I'll just like stretch my eyebrows and then create a straight line. I'll just follow the edge or the end of my brows, the direction of my brows. So you just create a straight line, and then you can create an arc there, like that. And then other one as well. So by stretching it will become more defined. There, so you just created a straight line there. And then for some, they also like create some on top, but I don't usually do that. I just do the bottom one. I just find it like it's more natural, but you know, if you want to try, you can. So next is we are using the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I like this one because it lasts longer and it is smudge proof. So that's why I prefer this one. You can also give it a try. You can order it online. So I'll just use my eyebrow powder applicator. Then again, I'll just stretch it out, and then I will use this one to create like a line on top. And then I will start spreading it. So next, guys, we will be applying our eyelashes. So we will be using this eyelash eyelashes from Glam. So this one, so they come in one pair plus the glue. What I like about this is that it's lightweight, the glue is hypoallergenic, and it's reusable, so I use it most of the time. So you can apply mascara first. It's up to you. Some they apply, some they don't, like whatever works. But for me, I apply mascara sometimes I don't. So we are using this mascara from It's Paradise. We will be applying our eyelashes. So I already applied some glue. So just apply just enough, not too much and not too little, and then let it dry for a few seconds. So the longer one should be at the end, and then the shorter one should be here towards the nasal area. So just wait a few seconds and then we can apply it. So you can apply it like facing it up, and then once it's all there, then you can fix it. And then you just press it with your eyelashes so that it will, it will look more natural. So next, guys, is our lipstick. So we'll be applying this lipstick. It's a matte one. This is from Colourpop in the shade Midi. So this is like a cheaper version of the Kylie Cosmetics. So yeah, we'll be using this. And then our last one is our highlighter. So from the word itself, highlighter, we use this to highlight the parts that we want to pop out. So the areas that we would want to pop out would be our nasal, like our nose bridge. So I'll just use my fingers to apply it. So you can apply there. So the nose bridge will become more prominent, so it creates that illusion of a longer pointed nose. And then our cheekbones, just apply a bit there. So we are back, guys, and this is the finished look. So we just changed location from the bedroom to the lounge room, just so there's more light so you can see it better. And of course we have changed clothes, so it will be better. Okay, so this is the end of our video, guys, and this is how it looks like close up. So if you like it, guys, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care and God bless.